beef with Irish potatoes. Beef with Irish potatoes. Yigenge joyinza okufumbamu obumonde ng'obutaddemu n'enyama. Naye nga tebiriimu supu. So you are going to prepare beef with Irish potatoes without gravy. Plain. Remember this is Chef Josh omusisis asiika ne basiika. Ngenda kusaba nawe naaliko ng'olaba. Ngenda kusaba video eno ogikwate ogishyaringe n'omuntu omulala. Share this video with each and everyone. Then if you are watching, please like this video. Video ogikwate ogilikinge. Bw'omaliza ogilikinga, if you're a new viewer, please subscribe my YouTube channel for daily recipes. So this is what we are going to need. We are going to need tomatoes, carrots, onions, spring onions, fresh coriander, garlic, ginger, tomato paste, turmeric, beef or goat's meat. You can use anything of your choice. So tugenda kwata obumonde bwaffe. You're going to get Irish potatoes, apply them in the saucepan, but make sure that you cut them in 2 wedges. Bukwata obusale in 2 wedges. Omaiza obusa mu sepiki, you apply salt. Kwata otekemu omunnyo gwo. You apply salt for taste. Then after, apply turmeric for color. Kwata otekemu ekinzaali ekiganda tukisaamu lwa color. Tusoose nakola Irish wedges. Then after, apply water and half boil. Kwata otekemu amazzi otokoseeko katono. Tewina mashinga, just obutokoseeko butokosa kaki katono. Then omaiza obutokosaako tugenda funa ennyama yaffe ey'embuzi oba ennyama yaffe ey'ente. Get your goat's meat or your beef. Then you chop it. You apply it in the saucepan. Ogikwata ogisse mu sepiki. After applying it in the saucepan, you apply salt. Kwata otekemu omunnyo gwo. You apply the salt. After applying salt, remember this is Chef Josh omusisi. Apply the grated ginger. Kwata otekemu entangawuzi gye wagratinze. Gwe nawe nalikongola video ntogiraba nga tonagilikinga. Please like the video. Apply water. But very little, don't apply much. Kwata otekemu otuzi tutono, then ose ku kyoto kyo oba ku gaasi wo otandika okuba ng'ofumba. Tuli kufumba obumonde nga tubutaddemu ennyama y'embuzi oba ennyama y'ente. You follow the same procedure. We are cooking Irish potatoes with beef or goat's meat. Then you cover. You start half boiling or you start boiling. You have to boil until the water reduces. You have to boil until the water reduces. So ensonga lwaki tufumbako twagala tufumbe paka amazzi we gakendeera. Ensonga lwaki tufumbako twagala amazzi gano tugafumbe paka we gakola ki we gakendeera ate n'ennyama yaffe esobola okuba ng'ejja. Then after half boiling the Irish, jukira obumonde buno twabusazeemu emirundi 4. Okwata akamonde akalamba n'okasalamu emirundi n'okahafinga, then after halving n'okasalamu n'okakoteringa. Ekitegeeza okasalamu emirundi emeka 4. Then kwata obusengejje oba obujje mu mazzi, strain the Irish potatoes, then after you deep fry them. Remember they have not mashed, tebwe mashinze. Then after you deep fry them, ogenda tandika deep frying until bwe bukalira ddala. We need them until crispy. We need them until crispy. So we have deep fried the Irish potatoes until crispy. Then back to our beef. Ennyama yaffe tugenda beera nga tugiboilingako mpola mpola, ogifumba mpola mpola, ogifumba mpola mpola, because twagala ejje bulungi. We need it to become ready. We need it to become ready. We need it to become ready. Then back to our Irish. So we are going to remove the Irish because it is crisp and crunchy. Already bukaze, tubwetaga nga bukaze bulungi. N'okufuuka that of deep frying ne bukalira ddala. Then amazzi gaffe gakendedde, otandika browning ennyama eno. Ennyama eno bw'ebanga ebadde enkapa, teekamuko tubutto. Naye bw'ebanga tebadde enkapa, kozesa butto waayo yennyini. Then you start browning the what? You start browning the beef. Yeah, start browning the beef with its own fat. If it had little fat, please apply in little cooking oil. Then remove your wedges. You can see them. They are crisp and crunchy. They have dried, totally dried. Then back to our beef. I told you can use the same method even when you're doing goat meat. Then at this point, we are going to apply onions. When you see that the beef is brown, because we first half boiled it, then after we browned it in the same pan, then after you applied onions. So apply onions. After applying onions, we are going to apply tomatoes. After applying onions, we are going to apply tomatoes. Oluvannyuma lw'okuteekamu obutungulu, tugenda kuteekamu n'ennyaanya. So wano tuteramu ennyaanya zaffe. Bwe tumaliza okusaamu ennyaanya zaffe, we are going to cover. you are going to cover, but before you cover, sprinkle with some salt. Apply some little salt to help you through mash the tomatoes. Kwato tegemuko otunyo tutono. Otunyo no tugenda kuyamba solo kubanga tumashinga obuki ennyaanya ezo. Super Kitchen School to located Kayempe Kirokole Tula Road to training akuka Rebecca barista and pastries mu short courses mwezi gumyezi emyezi esatu to in advance certificate ya myaka ebiri esawa zino ndi kuwa half bursaries. Please WhatsApp me on that number, you register. Tulifu register ne ministry. Wantugera kwa tatekemu tomato paste. Apply tomato paste at this point. Apply tomato paste at this point. Yes, apply tomato paste. You apply what's enough. Then wamaizo mutekam odem otabule. Sano tulikuwa half bursaries. If you are interested, please WhatsApp me. Then apply carrots. Apply carrots at this point. You can see the carrots. Apply carrots. Kwato tekemu carrot zo wano. Kwato tekemu carrot zo wano. Omaizo kutekamu carrot. Tugeda kwa tekemu ne green pepper. Ya tudemu tukolechi tutabule. So apply green pepper. Apply green pepper. Super Kitchen School tubasa mtuwa abana bannange to training akuka Rebecca barista ne pastries mu short courses ngoyagala okwetandikira business jango somo mwezi gumyezi emyezi esatu then ngoyagala omwana wo afuke professional chef ajasoma emyaka ebiri wamaliza tumfunia internship after internship tumfunia n'ekyo kukola ate accommodation wabwerere n'enfaiso gyabwere mtuwa abana. Apply grated garlic kwato tekemu katunguru chum. Kwato tekemu katunguru chum at this point. Apply grated garlic. Kwato tekemu katunguru chumu wano. Then odemo okolechi otabulenze Chef Josh omusisi. Bana Super Kitchen School to located Kayempe Kirokole Tula Road. Then at this point you apply turmeric and Reiko. Apply turmeric and Reiko. Kwato tekemu echinzali echiganda ne Reiko. Reiko soko isa 2-in-1 oba beef Reiko. Anything of your choice. Super Kitchen School. Banange fete tuliko bana tetulina ntino ono mwana yalemererwa omwana yamala P7 omwana yamala senior 4 yamala senior 6 omwana otasomangako tamanyi kuwandiika tamanyi tukola 100% practical hands-on jango tuwo omwana wo tumufule ekyenjawulo jango omutuwe tojja kwejjusa. Kwa apply fresh coriander and spring onions kwato tekemu fresh coriander wano bakoti miru ne obutungulu obwebikoola then odemo okolechi odem otabule. Then at this point tugenda kwata tekimo omonde bwaffe buli we twasiise ndoza mu bujjukira. Omonde bwaffe buli we twasiise ndoza mu bujjukira. Jjukira bwakaze bulungi. Then tugenda kwata ndubutekemu era tudemu tutabule then tugenda ku best part of the show. Bana enkiddamu registrations of bursaries zigenda maaso. Gwalina munno gwomanyi olina omwana wa munno gwomanyi mubagaye baje ba registering. Finish off with with soy sauce duck. Finishing off neka soy sauce duck. Bwa tokalina so kaskimpinga tukasaamu okubalansinga kakala. Then after we are going to serve kasotekamu ka soy sauce duck. Tubasaba buli muntu yenna mugambe Chef Josh alikuwa half bursaries. Accommodation wabwerere ne meals za bwerere ku baana abagenda okubanga basula. Omwana bamaziza tumfunia internship yasoma emyaka ebiri oba emyaka esatu. Amaziza tumfunia internship after internship ne tumfunia n'ekyo kola after graduation. Ate tukola 100% practical hands-on. Super Kitchen School fe tugamba teri mwana musiru. Teri mwana yalemererwa. Oyo mwana gwogamba yalemererwa gwaleka mu kyalo. Oyo mwana gwogamba yalemererwa gwaleka ewa. Kwato omutuwe togenda kwejjusa ogenda kulaba nga afuuse ekyenjawulo. Mbaagala nnyo nze Chef Josh omusisi. I sign out. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share.